Can you guess the output of this Python code snippet? You will have 10 seconds to choose one answer from 4 options. The answer is 0, 2, 3, 4. In Python, lists are mutable objects, which means that they can be modified after they are created. In this case, we have 2 variables a and b that reference the same list object 1, 2, 3, 4. When we assign b equals a, we are not creating a new list object, but rather creating a new reference to the same list object that a references. Therefore, any changes made to b will also affect a. When we modify b0 by setting it to 0, we are also modifying the first element of the list object that a references. Therefore, when we print a after modifying b, we get 0, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.